rebel soul child, got a fist balled. I'm a respawn of ancestors, and I'm blessed, They are not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right? No, we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride. You do better keeping it quiet.
What's up guys, it's your boys Halfway Kicks. My name is Bendo. If you haven't already, comment, like, and subscribe. Also follow our Instagram, halfway_kicks.
I go by AJ, and this is Bendo. He didn't want to tell you his name.
I did.
Did it?
I don't know.
We are here.
Anyways, we're here, yeah.
What do we got today, man?
We got some shoes that are not even out yet. Well, they should have been out a few times, but
Postponed.
Yeah, so luckily I was able to get my hands on these because I found somebody who was selling them.
Yeah.
So shout out to you. I'm not going to mention your name because I don't even know if you're going to watch this video, but shout out to you. Thank you for the pickup. So what we have here is the Air Jordan 5 Jade Horizon.
I like these boxes.
I like this box too.
A little history.
Yeah, they did this box on another.
They did a couple retros.
Couple retros, right?
Couple retros.
Is this the first 5 that they did this box for?
No, they did a Michigan 5s, I think.
Was it?
Fact checker?
Fact checker. That's a hard fact to check.
We got our boy Drew. Just make sure we don't drop no things.
Drew is back in the building. We know you guys like seeing his little reels.
He won't be scared no more.
The creative director, aka fact checker.
Damn,
You not gonna say what's up?
But I think,
what up?
But I think, the Michigan 5s and maybe the Oregon 5s came in these too.
Not the Oregon 5s.
Not the Oregon 5s? That is why he is here.
He is him. So I had to get these. The green beans are coming out too, and they're kind of similar, just kind of like reverse colorway, I guess.
I like these ones better because they're different.
Yeah.
Than the green beans, because we already seen the green beans.
Yeah.
And
And it's got that age look, which we've been loving lately.
The La Crema.
So let's open it up and take a look, huh?
Ooh. Let me get one.
Alright, here you go.
Oh, the leather is A1 on these.
Yeah, it's different. Oh,
hey now. The leather and the eyelets on these ones, I like how they really made it like.
Yeah, it feels
aged.
premium. It feels premium too. Like even though it's aged and it's giving you that feeling of aged, it does still feel premium.
Those the keys. I thought these were the off-white 5s.
Yeah, and that's why I like the age look, because it comes on the off-white 5s like that.
So I was right. The Oregon 5s came in that box.
They showed me these ones. These are the ones from like a game. Like if you win a game,
that's why
student
that's
section.
$5,000.
Yes.
No, not that one.
So the tongue still has 3M on it too.
Oh, does it?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And it's cool because it's got like a lighter blue, and I think our fact checker told us there's also a hint of pink in there. Which I can't see it, but...
So you're behind the tongue and then...
behind the tongue.
See, it's real pink.
Yeah, I guess so.
And then the logo on the tongue.
Oh, yeah, it's a little bright.
Yeah, it's very... You can't tell.
What's this called, Drew? Right here.
The mid?
The material on the inside of the shoe.
Oh, the inside.
Is very soft.
Inner lining.
Yes,
Inner lining. It's like a jersey type of...
You remember all the 5s having this? No, huh?
Not this exact material.
Oh, I have it somewhere here, but this is nice. This is different because, like I told you, the green beans we've seen them before.
Yeah.
And these one is kind of pistachio colors in.
Pistachio colors are the vibe right now, especially for me.
I.e., pistachio dunks.
Essentials mock
Fear of
neck.
God Essential Pistachio mock neck.
We gonna call these the Pistachio Horizon 5s.
Just the pistachio 5.
Okay, pistachio 5s.
Yeah, pistachio 5s. I could see you in these with some pistachio boba too.
Yeah, man. It's definitely one of the pairs I had to get because it's just different.
Yeah,
new. And add this to the 5s.
You were talking about these, and then once you had action on them, you wanted to jump on them.
You know, the good thing was resale value, even though they haven't been released yet, is still pretty low.
Yeah. What's it now? Take a guess.
I copped it for $260. So
$260?
Yeah. So these are probably what?
I'm gonna say $240.
Probably $240, $250. These are size 13s.
In a size 13?
Yeah.
We got
size 13. We have a
which is
big
cool.
Foot.
Yeah, well, 5. You know what? 5s usually fit pretty tight on me. The 12, size 12s. So I was fine with the 13.
That's
what is that?
260. So, and that's before fees.
Well, retail's 210, probably.
It's supposed to be 200, supposedly.
200.
Yeah.
That's weird. I have 190 on here.
Oh, okay. Maybe it is gonna stay at 190. The box does say 190 on it.
Release date on these April 9th?
April 9th, if I'm not mistaken.
What Off-White 5s has this?
The bottom?
Sale.
The bottom.
Five?
Sale?
Yeah, the sales.
Yeah. With the pre-distressed yellow.
It's just like you're almost getting an Off-White 5.
Almost. The bottom.
Or you can just pull out your old 5s from back in the day because they got the yellow.
I got mine jacked.
Oh.
Yes. I have the Paris PSG 5s closest to black cement, but those are not going to be yellowed. Why do you think they give out, what's the paper on these ones?
Some cheap paper.
Yeah.
Yeah, to me it feels like it's just...
Because the other 5s, they gave you that black paper.
Yeah, this one has like that, like...
Jordan 4?
Yeah, Jordan 4 cement print.
Jordan 4 paper?
Unless she just gave me the wrong paper.
Nah, she wouldn't do that to you. I think it's good.
No, I saw somebody
Oh,
open it. It has the same
The
paper.
gray ones had yellow. Bottoms as well.
That's what I was thinking too.
Yeah.
So both Off-White 5s has this bottom.
So Nike copying Off-White's age look design.
Are you telling me that Nike's running out of ideas? So
They...
what was it? It was on Sneakers App. They're talking about this inspired because worn shoes sometimes look better than brand new fresh out the box.
They might be running out of ideas, or they're just keeping up with the trend. I don't know.
Pistachio trend.
Yeah, pistachio and aged.
Yeah, these are dope. The leather is nice.
Yeah, it feels premium.
The leather
Man.
is real
I really
nice.
do like the leather on here. It's different. It's like softer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, having these in hands, I might have to try next week for these.
Yeah, I feel like if you like the 5s, this is probably one of the must cops. But you know what's funny? I thought these were actually a women's release when I first saw it. When I first saw it, I thought it was a women's release. Then we saw that it was for men, so I was like, bam, let's go!
Yeah, that's what I thought too. If you were like, if it's women's, I hope they extend the size of the bio. And then now here you go.
So 260 is actually not bad right now. Even if you were to just buy it today, before release, pay a little bit more. I think that's worth it.
Yeah, these are worth it to get that extra, $50 to get them early. Because back in the day, they used to do the add to cart service, and then you pay that person, but you're paying them, say $190, but you're paying them extra on top. But now it's just like, if you want it, cut out the middleman and just buy them on Goat or StockX, or if you happen to find a plug, there you go.
I found a plug.
Jordan ones?
Yeah, you know it's funny. I'm trying.
I'm just kidding.
I was really happy to get these because, recording the video, I wanted us to record the video as soon as possible because I want to wear them as soon as possible.
Yeah.
I can't wait to wear these. To be honest, I can't wait to wear them.
How was the interaction? Because I know it's been a while since you probably met up and bought or sold.
Oh, you mean like buying
from
a random?
Yeah. How's the interaction?
It's not that bad because nowadays I don't bring cash with me.
Yeah.
Now I just pay through apps, so it's a little bit safer. You don't feel like you're gonna get jacked. It's more so the person with the shoes that I think has the most risk. You know what I mean? Because me, I could just skate off with the shoes when I'm checking them, and you have no cash to take. But anyways, yeah, man, I'm happy about these 5s. But April 9th, they're going to be releasing on the Sneakers app, so get ready for that. I think that's going to be it for this video, though.
That is it. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe. Halfway Kicks, we out.
Peace. Peace. Peace.
Proper things, eh? Proper things. Boing. You don't want to turn the light off? Okay.
No,
I'll buy the cake.
it's already recording.
Gang, gang. Ready? Hold on, I'm not ready. What's up, guys? You boys Halfway Kicks. We are back. My name is Bendo. Forgot your name?
You got Instagram.
What's up, guys? Halfway Kicks here. If you guys haven't already, follow our Instagram, halfway_kicks. I was on a roll, man.